Hi, my name is Torian Balkman.
Hi, I'm Candace Bean.
And I'm Mario Bradford, and we're Team 1, and we're going to be demonstrating how to set up an AC circuit on both Multisim and on the bench, old school and new school methods. Hope you enjoy the film. I'll be demonstrating how to set up an AC circuit in Multisim. And I'll bring in all my equipment and components first, which are resistors, 1.5K, 4.7K, rotate clockwise, power source, under power sources, or signal voltage, AC power source, and power sources I will bring in a ground. Connect all wires. Change the ground net color to black. Bring in the oscilloscope, 2-channel. Connect the positives of channel A to the positive of the voltage source, and the negative to negative. Positive of B across resistor 2 and negative to negative. And last thing I would need is to bring in the voltmeters. So place indicator, voltmeter, 2 vertical voltmeters, 1, 2, right click or double click, change the AC, change the power source to AC. First one will be changing it to VIN and RMS. And the last one, AC V2 underscore RMS.
Now we're going to measure the voltage peak to peak. We start by simulating our Multisim. Double click our oscilloscope, pause, pick it up a little, and we'll count the blocks, the divisions from peak to peak. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 2.4. So we'll take 2.4, multiply that by our division, which is 5 volts. Divide that by 2. Then we will multiply that by 0.707, and it reads 4.24, and that should also read we got running in our Multisims. Our voltmeter reads. Now we're going to measure the period of time. Double click. Pause. Back up. Now we have to raise this back to the middle. Okay, now you want to get right click. I want to get it just a little in front of the, reach the peak, and set it at Y value 0. All right, we take number 1. Right click, set value V to 0. And now we will count the blocks for our period. Find out our time. So this is 1 block, 2 blocks, 3 blocks. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8.
I'll be measuring across R2. First, I'll be starting with measuring the voltage peak to peak. So I'm going to run the simulator and turn on my oscilloscope. Stop it. And turn off channel A and turn on my channel B, and bring this over a little bit so I can see it. And then I'll be measuring the voltage peak to peak. So that's about like 4.4. It's 4.5. And then I'm gonna calculate it to find the voltage RMS. So 4.5 times 2 divided by times the formula, which is 0.707, which is equal to 3.1815, which you can see is close to what we have here in Multisim. Okay, so we found the peak-to-peak value. Now we're about to find the period of time. So first we have to set the values to 0. Change the scale. 0, and then we're gonna set our values to 0. Get it right about here. Set that to 0. And then we're gonna set this next one also at 0. Went a little bit further. Okay, so I'm gonna just estimate that right about here. Should be 0. So this is showing 1 cycle, 1 period of time, which is 66.47 microseconds.
And then do the inverse.
So 66.47 1 microseconds.
-6. Just regular -6, do it again.
This is negative. Right.
And now we're going to demonstrate how to set up our AC circuit on the bench. First, we're going to need our resistors, our 1.5K and our 4.7K. Our function generator cable is going to connect our power and ground. Coming from our function generator. Our oscilloscope probes on channel A and B. Coming from the oscilloscope, we'll measure the wavelength and peak to peak. And our digital multimeter will measure the voltage going through our resistors.
I'm going to set up the source following my multi-sims by getting the max VP. Using my function generator, I will set the frequency to 15 kilohertz, which we already have. I will also turn on my oscilloscope. Take the wires from the cables from my function generator, match the positive with the positive on the oscilloscope, grab the negative of the function generator, match the negative with the negative on the oscilloscope. Then we'll hit auto run. Measure. Then we will adjust our V max peak to 6 volts. As you can see, I raised it up to 6 volts. Now we will connect our function generator, disconnect our function generator from our oscilloscope cables, reattach them. Now we're going to measure peak to peak on resistor 1. Match my red cable to my black, to my negative.
So first we're going to find out the voltage peak. First I'm going to set the position here. starting with the curve here. Then I'm gonna count the squares. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 16. So that's about 5.9. And I'm gonna put it in the calculator, which is to find my RMS. It would be 5.9 divided by 2 times 0.707, which is equal to 2.08565, and then I'm gonna show. So I'm gonna find the new school, Falls Peak to Peak, and BRMS. So I'm gonna scroll down to the Peak to Peak, which is 11.8. Then voltage, scroll down to my BRMS, which is 3.9293. It fluctuates. And now I'm gonna find my period of time. So I'm just move the scale about here, and then I'm gonna count the squares. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, about 6.7. So it's gonna be, and the calculator will be 6.7 times 10 to 18 6.
I'll get it to new school.
And new school method, just click measure, hit time, hit period, and there it goes. 6.6. 66 points. So the inverse of that, which would be frequency, is hit the inverse button, and the answer will be 14925.3. And to find that new school method, I would hit my time and scroll down to frequency, which is 14.97, which is pretty close to what I have in the calculator. And that concludes our AC video.